All right, guys, I see from the thumbnail you're like, what? What is he doing? What is that? I am using LatherMeWhiskers soap. Yeah, the Barbarian helped pillage the soap for LatherMeWhiskers. The captain, you know, they had a pirate contest. Black Ship Grooming did to name their new soap after the person that like had the best pirate saying. And our boy LatherMeWhiskers had like a ton of likes, and like I read through the other stuff and it wasn't that good. And then like some like non-piratey saying Dicey Peak dude won. So I'm just, I'm kind of being like Samuel Beckett from Quantum Leap, and I'm like putting right things that once went wrong. So anyways, we're using this turn and shave. Pretty wicked looking brush, right guys? Yeah. So I'm not going to link anything at the bottom of this video, guys, because, you don't need a mouth-breathing milk drinker's soap. So, because, no, that's just all I'm saying. But I think I got it good and, runny, thin like I like. Because if I got it this way, it would just drip off my face. I could not face lather it this way. So, and I like it pretty thin. And I've been beating it for a little while. Got some air bubbles in there. Doesn't matter. It's going to be more than effective. I do like the scent though. Very good scent. As a matter of fact, LatherMeWhiskers sent me a sample of this, which got me to buy it because I dug this scent quite a bit. So here we go. Good soap. Good lather. Ooh, plop. Ploppity plop, plop, plop. Suds be a flying lad. There we go. We're going to use the carbon again today. Just because I'm going to use it as much as possible till I got to send it back to Ken. Because I'd be digging it quite a bit. Outside my price range right now. But we're going to enjoy it while we got it. Enjoy it while you got it. 0.68. Oh, guys, this is just smooth. Oh, God. Dude, I'm loving this. And Seth, I'm sorry, I'm behind on comments. Did read it? I don't know, man. What do you spend like with right under $100 for a carved and brass? I don't know what the stainless is. What is this, like a $220, $250 price point razor? I don't know. It's all up to you to try it and see if you like it. I want to try the Blackbird. And I'm not telling everybody go order the Blackbird and just return it. But they have a 30-day money back guarantee. That's what it is. So no questions asked. So if you don't like it, you can return it. So I do want to try it before I made a decision on this carbon. But carbon is pretty sweet. And I guess the blade feel is more, like Ken says. But man, it's smooth at the same time. You get plenty of feedback, which makes you feel like you're accomplishing something. Sorry guys. Running lathers lately. I don't know. Maybe I'll put less water in the next one. But it's not sudsy in the bowl. But as I'm painting it on, it starts sudsing up. Sudsing up. Yeah. It's a good lather. It's a good sloppy lather. The face feel on this soap, honestly guys, I know I'm digging and joking around, but it doesn't feel as good as some other soaps I've had. You'll just hear it singing. Trying to see if that's an ingrown. Well, what's going on up there? It's a little different. Oh yeah. Man, that's nice. Very nice, guys. Oh yeah. But, you know, honestly, face feel. Just look. This soap isn't on the quality of some other ones I had. I do enjoy the scent quite a bit though. It's maybe a 4 in the bowl. We'll see what the splash is. I haven't used it yet. I didn't even open it up and smell it. See if you think I'm slacking. You gotta open up that goodness and smell it. It comes in. So it came in last night, guys. So I had every intention of doing this video. This soap today. Not like I'm doing it with the funny label, but I wanted to do it as soon as it came in. So I chose to. Alright guys, see if we can go blood free on this third and final pass. Wow. I just like how it moves so easily. That corner I may have nicked a little. Oh. I normally don't chase BVS like this, guys, but super comfortable. We'll see if 2 days in a row of chasing BVS will cause me some irritation tomorrow. There we go. Yeah. Against the grain. Only here's where I felt like I did something I shouldn't have done though. Oh It's a nice one, guys. Hey, Paul. So far, no water, but it's coming on now. So I turned it on so hard. There's some good slickness. Not happy with it. There we go. I don't feel anything there. It looks a little darker than it should. All right. Glorious Lancaster towel. I enjoy it. The bougie. The bougie. Some LatherMeWhiskers splash. Because we pillaged that shit. That's right. The Barbarian. Oh, Captain. Oh, that's good. It's got a good little burn. But everything's feeling really smooth. It's a good little scent, guys. So I appreciate you stopping by. Remember, LatherMeWhiskers, not a milk drinker. Until then, guys, y'all have a good one.